guys, welcome back to Top Shelf Toys from Disney Princesses. This is the Magic Clip collection. This is a great little collection. This comes with, looks like 7 dolls. There's Snow White, Cinderella, Rapunzel, Ariel, Belle, Sleeping Beauty, and Tiana. But these are cool little dolls because like these little dresses, actually you just squeeze them and they clip right off, and then you can interchange the dresses on the different dolls. But anyways, super cute, fun little set to start your Magic Clip collection from Disney Princesses. That's the Magic Clip collection. Pretty cool.